right, guys, voices off, listen. Over here. All right, so we went over paraphrasing the last class. This class we watched the brain pop on paraphrasing. Last time we practiced it. Today we saw another one on plagiarizing. Somebody check right here.
We have a button.
All right, so what we're going to do today is see if we can pick out what the difference is between paraphrasing and plagiarizing. So there's 3 words here. We're going to read them together to determine which one has plagiarized and which one has just paraphrased. So where it says source material, are we ready? First you're going to read the source material.
So first
Voices off. Yep. So read the source material and then read the essay. And we're going to determine if the person who wrote the essay paraphrased or if they plagiarized. All right. So source material. This would be if you were doing research and you read this and then you wrote it in your own words. You're the essay. So go ahead. Read the source material.
the Home Alone
No,
film
excuse
series.
me. We have someone that's reading.
Oh.
Go ahead.
The Home Alone film series includes depictions of cartoonish violence that may not be appropriate for younger viewers.
Okay, so if you weren't researching and you read that, and then you had to go and write a paper about that, and you wrote, some reviewers note that Home Alone's cartoonish violence makes it unsuitable for young children. Did you paraphrase that, or did you plagiarize it?
She did.
Who thinks that it was paraphrased, meaning they did not take it word for word without saying where it came from? Who thinks that it was plagiarized? So where do you see that they took?
Quotation
Mm-hmm.
marks.
So it's actually, yes, this is not plagiarized because they have quotes around what they took directly from the one, and then if you see that little 6, that's usually an indication that there is a footnote or bibliography, and that is where they will cite that source. So that was fine, not plagiarized. So not plagiarized. What about the next one? It says, Richard Adams' Watership Down uses the familiar pattern of the quest myth to tell the story of a group of rabbits on a search for a new home. So if you took that and wrote, the plot of Watership Down uses the basic pattern of the quest myth as it follows a group of rabbits on a search for a new home, is that a paraphrase or plagiarized? What do you think? Take a minute and look. Bless you, bless you. Who has a guess? Paraphrase or plagiarize?
Plagiarize.
We have a friend who raised their hand. What do you think? Plagiarize. So why was that plagiarized? They didn't use quotes, and they also didn't quote Richard Adams. So yes, they pulled word for word from here. They did not cite where it came from, and there was no quotation marks.
So this is not plagiarized?
The top one was paraphrased. This one,
Paraphrase.
so not plagiarized. This one was plagiarized. The last one says, this paper will show that the seeds of the Cold War were planted long before the Russian Revolution, sometime in the 1860s. And if you took that and wrote, arguably the Cold War's roots extend as far back as the mid-19th century, would you have paraphrased or plagiarized? Oh, raise your hand for
Paraphrase.
raise your hand for paraphrase. Raise your hand for plagiarize. It's a paraphrase. So you didn't take anything word for word. You read something, you changed it around to put it into your own words. So that's a paraphrase, not plagiarize, it's a paraphrase. Okay?
What was the
So the first one was good because it used quotes and it had a footnote. The second one, not okay, because it didn't cite the author or use quotations. And the last one was good because they took their own ideas
Paraphrase.
from what they had read and put
The
them together.
paraphrase and what?
Hmm?
What do you call this?
This one was okay. This one was not okay because there was no quotes and no citation. And that one was okay because they took it and they put it into their own words. Hmm? Okay?